Okay, so right now we're going to go ahead and create the last page. As we have done before, we create a page by clicking on the shelf on pages, add a page, place the name, create, and then done. It's going to clone the full page and it's going to use the same map. So remember to duplicate the ones that you're going to need again. We're going to remove every section but one. This is actually going to be really fast. Okay, I'm removing each one of the sections. They only get deleted from this page. They're still going to show on the others. I'm duplicating the menu as we have done before, and I'm also going to go ahead and duplicate the title. Done. I'm going to change the name of the page to links. Done. And I'm going to install a text app, which is the only one that we're going to use here, besides the ones that we had before in other pages. Over here we're only going to use one. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do will be to place the links that I have. I already have them typed. So I'm just going to go ahead and style it a little bit. You can go actually to the actual website, paulran.breezy.com or paulran, and find those links. There's Paul Ran's official website, logo design love, which gives us information about how he did all the corporate identity design. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and separate them. Almost done. Now what I'm going to show you over here is how to link. This is fairly an easy step. The only thing that you have to do will be to select the text and click on the link icon on our toolbar that you see at the top and add a link. You can link either to your actual pages, to a website, to an URL, to a file. You can actually link to everything. Okay, so we have all the links. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to change the background as we have done before, just so you can take a look and see how it will look at the end. Okay, this is done. Now, once you add a background, if it has an image, you can always align it using the sliders. Okay. Now, as you see, since the text is black and the background is gray, you can barely notice it. So, once everything is aligned, I'm going to go ahead and change the color. Still going to align it. Almost done. Okay. Now that the background is centered, I'm going to change the text font. Of course, keep in mind that modifying spacing can also modify the background. Anything is not final, so you can always come back and do it again if you want to. It looks much better now, so I'm going to go ahead and align this again. I'm going to go ahead and change the font color to something lighter. This will work. Now that we have changed the text color, it will be time to link it. I'm going to change it again using the text tab. Everything will be changed to whatever I choose. I'm going to use a lighter gray. Okay. Now, for you to link them, you just gotta click on the name. Then you go on the toolbar and click on the link icon. You can either link to an URL or your pages and select the link to come up in a new or an old window. As you see, what I have over here is the link and then the description of the link. We have paulbrand.com, which is Paul Brand's official website, Logo Design Lab, which is an article about Paul Brand corporate identity design. I'm placing the links, and as you see, automatically the link turns red. You can change this later, don't worry. Now we have Redux, which is how the next logo was designed, which was a company that was competing against Apple. Okay, I have the link already. I just go ahead and go to URL, paste it, click on new window and save. And as you see, the link turns red. If you think this is too fast for you, actually, you can always go back to our tutorial and see the images. This is just for you to actually take a look of how the editor looks like actually. We're almost done. Okay. This is Smashing Magazine, and it's not actually about Paul Brand, but from Swiss Style, which is a minimalistic style design that Paul Brand used. Okay. And at the end we have Twisted, which are posters redesigned in Swiss style design. Once we have all the links linked, actually, we can go ahead and select all of them and change them. Just go ahead and click, select all of them, click on the color, and you will see two tabs, default color and rollover color. Default color is how the links are going to look like on your web page, and rollover color is how they're going to look like once the mouse hovers over them. I'm going to use orange for this. The colors that I'm using are similar to the IBM poster that Paul Brand did. You can find this poster on the poster section. Okay, so I'm clicking on style, text, and I'm changing the links. Every link will be orange on this page. I'm going to go ahead and bold them. As you see, it looks much better now. And I'm aligning again the background just a little bit. And I'm just going to go ahead and change the title color. This is the last page, of course. I'm just going to show you one more video on how to actually link the menu that we have, since we already have all pages.